Hey everyone! Welcome back to Random Code. Today we're diving into one of the most important parts of Photoshop, the toolbar. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to speed up your workflow, this video will help you master every essential tool. We'll cover how the Photoshop toolbar is structured, how to customize it for a more efficient workflow, and some hidden tools that most people don't know about. Let's start with the basics. The Photoshop toolbar is located on the left side of your screen by default. It contains all the essential tools you need for selection, painting, retouching, and more. If you hover over any tool, you'll see a tooltip with its name and shortcut key. Tools with a small triangle in the bottom right corner have hidden tools inside them. You can access these by right-clicking or holding down the left mouse button. For example, the rectangular marquee tool, M, is grouped with the elliptical marquee tool. The brush tool, B, also hides the pencil tool, color replacement tool, and mixer brush tool. If you want to customize your toolbar, Photoshop lets you do that easily. Just go to Edit Toolbar, and you'll see a window where you can drag and drop tools to rearrange them. For example, if you use the Crop tool, C, more than the Eyedropper tool, I, you can move it higher in the list. You can even remove tools you don't use to keep your workspace clean. To reset everything to default, just click Restore Defaults at the bottom. Now, let me show you some hidden tools and pro tips to speed up your workflow. Quickly switch between hidden tools. Instead of right-clicking, press Shift+. The Tools shortcut key to cycle through tools. Resize your brush faster. Hold Alt, Windows, Option, Mac, plus. Right-click, then drag left at right to change size. Quickly reset colors. Press D to reset colors to black and white. One more cool trick: if you accidentally hide the toolbar, just press Tab to bring it back. And that's a complete breakdown of the Photoshop toolbar. Now you know how to use it efficiently, customize it, and even discover hidden tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. Also, comment below which tool you use the most. See you in the next video.